Hello, let's continue with our training. In this video, I want to show you the use of our left menus and some program buttons. Program buttons, I'll start with it. Program button has a pop-up that actually brings out a extended option for price change, quick price change, of course, adding stock of items, label mode, that means where you can print the shelf edge labels. So this is a question we always get asked, how we can actually print a shelf edge. So to print a shelf edge, we open into go to program mode and then we click on label mode. When you are in label mode, you see the label mode in red. Whichever item you scan from the barcode, that actually prints the label from your dedicated label printer. Normally, we assign the receipt printer as the label printer. Simple. They scan the item and then it prints the label. Okay, so the label actually has the name of the item, barcode, the barcode number, and the price of the item. Although this can be customized upon your request, we can show you different options available once the system is live, and our support team can help. Now we have print last bill. So by pressing this button, the system will automatically print the last bill. No cell opens the cash drawer. Search product. If you want to search a product through the system, click and then you can actually see the list of your items. Here you can search by product name and it will filter the items that you want to add or edit. You can edit the product by clicking on this edit button. If you want to add a barcode, you can add a barcode, name of the item, which category the item belongs to. You can change the category from here, from the drop down. If you want to add a new category for it, you can actually add a category at the back office and you can switch. That can be done from the back office. Okay. Change the price and then you can also add to print queue or print the shelf level and save it. So let's go back. By saving the item, the product has been saved. We go back to your program mode. Okay. Hold cell actually holds the transaction. Say for example 599 food, uh, 129 drinks. You want to hold the cell, click on hold. The cell is on hold now. See, you actually will see a red notice on top. It's a pop-up and flashing suspended order, so that means there is an order suspended. You can continue your cell from um, for other customers that are probably queuing up. Okay, you can do your cash and card transaction. I would say card is completed. Now you can unhold the transaction. See, the still suspended orders is flashing. That means it's telling you there is a order is under hold. Unhold, select by clicking resume. That will come on the screen. You can add more items such as more items barcoded. Okay, and then finish the transaction by pressing card. If it is an exact, you can do card, or if you are actually doing £20 cash, uh, it will print the receipt. If it is auto printed, then you can see the change and how much tendered on the top. Right, we can also add multiple buttons where you can actually add your denominations of £5, £1, £2, £10, £20, £50 notes. We can customize entirely this screen where the number starting from 1 and finishing with the payment. So we can basically customize this panel here to fit in different buttons. We can also make this checkout bigger, smaller, whichever suits you. But this is the format. This screen is very much appreciated and accepted widely by our customer because of its simplicity. Okay, now discounts, we have a discount function as well. 599 an item you're doing. If you want to do a discount, you can actually go to the discount. You can 10% discount, 20% discount, 50% variable discounts or discount amount as well. Say for example, if you want to give a discount amount, you want to do a £1 discount for this person, you can actually do a click. So there is a discount applied, £1. Now you can see an additional section where it says manual discount given £1, subtotal is 599, but the discount is £1, and now to pay is 499. It's quite simple and straightforward. Refund mode, I explained to you refund mode before. um, Sales history opens up your sales history. In our other video, I have shown you the sales history, how it works. Price check, I have shown you in other video. Program mode, I'll come back to that now. And if you want to cancel this transaction, say for example you don't want to go through, you want to cancel it, simply hit the button cancel. It will cancel this transaction, bring your screen to a sellable screen. Now I come back to the program mode again. I was explaining quick price change. So if you click on price change mode, people say, okay, how we can price change? You can do price change from the screen. Click price change. Now you are in price change mode. Scan your item, you want to change the price. Now this Vaseline is 299. I want to change it back to 349. Click save. Instantly this product is 349. Okay, you want to do your fruits price change. The item doesn't have a barcode. You go back to the category, or you can do product search. Then you want to change this apple to 59p. Your banana price gone up, maybe you want to do for 325 a kilo. Okay, instantly changes the price. Green grapes price gone up, 399 a kilo. And your red grapes, maybe you want to discount it for £3 a kilo. Okay, see, instantly price change. Same, you can actually go button by button, as long as you have the price change mode on the top left corner you can see price change mode is on. You can hit on the button or scan any item. You are in price change mode. Okay, 199 change to 249. Okay, so this way, once you are done, come to program mode, end program, and then you are back to serving customers. You can also go back from price change mode to sell mode by clicking this arrow, white arrow next to your price change. Same way, you can add item stock as well from quick add stock. Any item you want to scan, you can enter the quantity. If you want to have 24 in stock, enter. The item actually has 24. Because the stock control is not enabled, that's why you see a error message here. But once your stock control mode is enabled, you can actually do the stock control from here as well quickly. Okay, program mode also actually says label mode. You can print your shelf as ticket. Any item, scan, it will print the shelf edge from your dedicated printer. Okay, so this is your quick overview of your left menu. Refund mode, just in case if you want to see it again. If you want to do some refund, click on refund mode. Refund with QR, so your receipt actually has QR code which you can scan through, or you can actually do by order code or by transaction search. Transaction search, search the transaction. You can search which day it is. Maybe you know this invoice you want to refund. You can either do refund all, or you can do selected items by sanitizer, one aloe vera gel you want to refund, or both of them you want to refund. Refund selected items. Okay, it says the two items have already been refunded. Okay, so that means you already had a refund on this item, so the system actually checks if this item has been refunded before. Okay, now that's fine. You can remove this one, and you can add refund selected item. So the sanitizer, which you can refund £1 by cash, by pressing cash you can refund it. Okay, so you are off the refund mode. So these are the functions of your left menu. This is what you can actually do quite easily. So now you know how things are done on the left menu as well. So these are your program functions. Thank you for watching.